Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you step by step how you can add fillable lines to your documents on Microsoft Word really quickly. So let us get started. Access the document you would like to edit here on Microsoft Word and click on your document where you would like to place your fillable line. So let me go, for example, with that area here. And what you want to do after that, guys, is switch from the Home tab to the Insert tab here and add a table to your document here. You may add a simple one row by one column table to it. That's it. And after that, you'll be given the opportunity to add content or text to that line. However, guys, before you do that, I recommend to get rid of the line of these borders here to the left, to the right, and at the top. You can leave, of course, the border at the bottom, because that is going to be our fillable line. So what you want to do, guys, is while having your cell here selected, is click on borders here to the right in the border section, click on that arrow down icon, and simply disable the left border, and after that also the right border and the top border as well. And after that, you will be left with an underline like that. So now you can start filling in your cell with content and text just like that. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.